Welcome to the video tutorial section for eHRAF. I'm Elisa Jordan, and I'll be your guide. In this video, I'm going to explain how subsistence types are classified within eHRAF and how the classification system. What subsistence types will you find in both eHRAF Archaeology and eHRAF World Cultures? Hunter-gatherers are one. They depend almost entirely, 86% or more, on hunting, fishing, and gathering for subsistence. Next, primarily hunter-gatherers depend mostly, greater than 56% of the time, on hunting, fishing, and gathering for subsistence. Pastoralists depend mostly, greater than 56% of the time, on herding or pastoralism. Horticulturalists depend mostly, greater than 56% of the time, on simple agriculture. Intensive agriculturalists depend mostly, that is greater than 56% of the time, on intensive agriculture, involving more or less permanent field cultivation and potentially irrigation. In addition, eHRAF World Cultures and eHRAF Archaeology have a few of their own unique categories. eHRAF World Cultures contains a classification for commercial economy as a subsistence system at the time of description. Likewise, eHRAF Archaeology has unique options for subsistence types, including hunter-gatherers to food producers and horticulture to intensive agriculturalists. The information used to classify cultures and traditions in the eHRAF databases came from a variety of sources. Much of the information came from Huber and Simmons, 2004, and subsistence information was originally coded by Loftin, 1971. For the remaining cases in eHRAF, coders turn to the Ethnographic Atlas. Since the names in the Ethnographic Atlas and the eHRAF do not always match, we consulted a concordance of cross-cultural samples. See Ember et al., 1992. There is one major difference in meaning between the coding scheme in Murdock et al. In 1967 and ours. Our coding scale adds a category for societies or subcultures where working for wages or in business is the primary way of making a living. Many contemporary societies have changed their ways of life since the documents were written and coded. Thus, you should be cautious in your use of subsistence codes. Also be aware that eHRAF often includes data from multiple periods and sites for each culture or tradition. For more information on how to filter by subsistence type, check out the advanced search tutorials. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Check out our other tutorials and stay in the loop or contact us by checking out our homepage and linking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.